Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a bargain bike special with me today. It's a 2009 Kawasaki ER6N. This is kind of like Kawasaki's naked version of the Ninja 650. So it's got minimal plastic fairings. You can see the engine, all the mechanical parts. Looks real cool. It's got a nice bright blue metallic paint, real pretty. The front turn signals are integrated into the body. It's got a 650cc parallel twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's got a 6-speed transmission. It's also got an upgraded Two Brothers Racing slip-on muffler. Gives it a nice good sound. Got your 2-up seat, passenger pegs. It's got their side-mounted shock, which is a little different. And now as a bargain bike, we're gonna sell this one as is. We test rode it, got it cleaned up. It's got good tires on it, made sure it passed the Texas State inspection. It's a chain-driven bike. It's got a few little scuff marks. Got one on that bar end, and then you got a little scuff mark on that fairing right there. Nothing too major. It's got a nice little dash. A little bit of color missing on that clamp right there for the handlebars. It's got shorty levers on it, adjustable. It's got the headlight mask, paint matched. Good tire on the front, dual brakes. It's a cool little bike. It's a good beginner bike, but also if you're more experienced, it's pretty peppy. Good commuter. Good on the gas mileage. 5,688 miles. Real comfortable too. It's got more of an upright seating position. You can see how the bars have a nice rise on them, so you're not really hunched over. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. Also notice it's got a few little scuff marks on the wheel right here. Just want to point that out real quick. We do offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.